Hey, what's up, buddies? How are you? Hope you're fine now. So, welcome back to another video about Reef Finance, guys. And once again, I'm talking about the price prediction of Reef. What's going on? Now you can see here the right now price of the Reef Finance in the market is 0.024392 USD dollar. Now, and unfortunately, now you can see here, guys, the price decrease. Just look here at the latest situation. Now I think from the last 30 minutes, from the last 1 hour, the changes occur in the refinance is going wrong. So a lot of people worrying about that, but guys, don't worry about these changes. That is temporary changes, positive 18.53% changes occur in the refinance in 0.025575 is the highest price of the refinance. So guys, now a lot of people ask me question about the future, that what will be the future of refinance. Is the future of refinance bright or not? Let me show you guys. Just look here. There is the last 3 days update of the refinancing. Just look here. From the 22 August, the price start pumping. You can see here, in especially on the 22 August, the price taken a quick jump. Just look here. And now in the latest situation, the price decrease. So guys, possibilities, guys, that the price decrease to this point. Now this point. But I'm sure about that. If now they falls down on this point, they strike with this point, and again the price will pump. I'm sure about that. So guys, absolutely now upcoming 1 day or 2 days, the price will jumps, and after 1 day 2 day falls, the price will again start moving upward. So that's why I'm recommending for you to please hold, don't decide to see. uh, I believe that refinance future is 100% bright. What do you think about that? What is your opinion? What is your prediction? Please also share in the comment box. And guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more updates and news videos about this kind of updates videos about crypto market. Hope you like this video, and tell me in the comment box how do you feel today about your refinance. Thanks for watching.